Titration is a method for determine the level of a substance with using other known substances his concentration. Titration is also known as volumetric analysis, where the substance will be analyzed is allowed to react with other substances whose concentration is known and distributed from the burette in solution form. A compound experiences oxidation if 1. There is an addition of oxygen. 2. Hydrogen reduction. 3. Experiencing an increase in oxidation number, a process of releasing electrons. Permanganometry, using KMNO as a titrant. Iodometry and iodatometry involves iodine. Bromatometry and bromometry involving bromine cerimetry, using a cerium compound. To evaluate a redox titration, the shape of the titration curve must be known. In acid-base titration or titration complexometry, the titration curve is a diagram plotting between the volume of titrant on the x-axis and the pH value acid-base or PN complexometry in the y-axis. Potassium permanganate permanganometry. A permanganometric titration is carried out based on the reaction by potassium permanganate KMNO for B, preparation and standardization of 0.1 in KMNO for C. Use of potassium permanganate standard solution. IODIUM iodometry and iodatometry. A. Direct titration iodimetry. B. Indirect titration iodometry. C. Preparation and standardization of standard iodine solutions and standard sodium thiosulfate solution. 1. Nitrometric titration. The nitrometric method is based on the reaction diazotation. The diazotation titration method is also called with nitrometry, which is a method for determining levels quantitatively using a solution standard sodium nitrite. 2. Indicators in diazotization titration. The endpoint of the titration can be determined use 1. Outdoor indicator to inner indicator. 3. Potentiometrically, the external indicator used is starch iodide paste or can also use starch iodide paper. Preparation of 0.1 m sodium nitrite is carried out by dissolving 6.9 grams of sodium nitrite. Molecular weight 69 grams per mole in distilled water, up to 1,000 milliliters. Meanwhile, standardization of 0.1 m nanos was carried out by means of approximately 400 milligrams sulfonilic acid PA, which previously dried at 120 degrees Celsius until constant weight. Weigh carefully, then put into an Erlenmeyer, added 0.2 grams sodium bicarbonate and a little water. The stir until dissolved and added with 100 milliliters of air. ADD 10 milliliters of acid to the solution concentrated chloride, velvet to a temperature of no more than 15 degrees Celsius. Then titrated slowly with 0.1 m sodium nitrite. Titration terminated if a down resolution will be given immediately blue color on iodide starch paper. The titration is considered complete if the endpoint can be displayed again after the pollution has been left for 1 minute. Each ml of 0.1 m solution is equivalent to 17.32 milligrams of acid sulfonalates. Analysis of compounds with a group-bound aromatic amine group other in determining the levels of compounds that have aromatic groups which is bound to other groups such as succinyl sulfatazole. Compounds must be hydrolyzed first to obtain the amine group-free aromatics. To further react with sodium nitrite in acidic conditions, it forms diazonium salts. Aromatic nitro compounds are analyzed through concentration nitrometry after being reduced to primary aromatic amines. For example, chloramphenicol, containing an aromatic nitro group, is reduced with the NHCl to produce free primary amines, which then react with nitric acid to form diazonium salts.